Everyone desires many different things, but there is one thing that is everyone's desire, and that is money. Money is everyone's desire because there is no one here on earth who doesn't want to have money. In today's video, we will be talking about money. How can you implement Neville Goddard's teachings to get money? How Neville Goddard's teachings can help you manifest money. I assure you that after watching this video, you will never again be worried about money. So watch the video till the end so that you can understand what I want to explain to you, and you can become able to apply Neville Goddard's teachings more effectively to manifest money. And if you are visiting our channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure you subscribe, because here we teach you how you can manifest the things that you want to manifest and how you can live the life you want to live. Let's now get started. What you expect is what you get. It's what the law of assumption says. Neville Goddard, in all of his lectures and of his writings, emphasized the power of imagination and assumption. The law of assumption that he proposed is the most widely accepted and practiced law in the world when it comes to manifestation techniques. He said that the life we live is a result of what we think. The things that we have right now and the things that we experience in our lives have been manifested by us. Nobody has forced us to live the life that we are living. Nobody has forced us to experience the things and circumstances that we are experiencing in our lives. It's all because of our assumptions. It's all because of our consciousness. And we have manifested everything in our life. Now let's talk about money. Let's say right now you don't have any money. Do you think this is what caused the lack of money in your life? Is there anybody to blame? No, because Neville Goddard said there's nobody to blame in the whole world. Because whatever happens in your life, it is all because of you. So if you don't have money, it's because of you. It's because of your assumptions about yourself and about money. You have no money because of your own thoughts. You made some decisions that caused you to not manifest money. You chose those thoughts, you took those actions, and you did the things that caused you to lose money. So there's nobody to blame for the things that are happening in your life. You are responsible for what happened to you. That's how the law of assumption makes you accountable. It doesn't allow you to blame other people for your own mistakes, wrong decisions, and actions. You imagine things and you have thoughts, and using your imagination and your thoughts, you manifest your reality. Even if something is imposed on you, it's also your mistake. Even if the person who is imposing something on you and is forcing you to live the life you want to live is because of your own choice and your own wrong decisions. You allowed somebody to force you to live a life you didn't want to live, so it's you who are responsible for everything. If you don't have money, it's because of your own thoughts. Don't think that your circumstances caused you to lose money, but rather that you manifested the circumstances that caused you to lose the money. Don't think that somebody has caused you to lose your money. Think that you have allowed someone to cause you to lose the money. The lack of money in your life is because of you. You made bad decisions, did things the wrong way, and made bad financial decisions, which is why you couldn't get money. Let me say that if you had made a wise financial or other decision right now, you could be worth millions of dollars. If you had had positive thoughts and imagination about money, and now you would be rich and wealthy. Your thoughts and your imagination create your reality. Your imagination manifests your 3D world. Now let's say you don't have money, so what can you do to manifest money? Remember that everything starts with your imagination. Everything starts in your head. So if you don't have money, you start with your thoughts. First, you have to find out what thoughts you have about money. What do you believe about money? It's necessary to know your thoughts, because what you believe you manifest. If you believe that money creates problems, then it will create problems. If you believe, like many other people, that money doesn't give you happiness, then it won't give you happiness. If you think that money solves your problems, then it will help you solve them. And if you believe that money is a bad thing, then it will be bad for sure. Whatever you assume about money, it happens to you in that way. Whatever you assume about anything, you manifest it. So no matter what your beliefs about money are, you are experiencing exactly the same reality. If money isn't coming to you, it's you who isn't allowing money to come into your life. You can manifest anything with your imagination. So what I'm saying is you have to dive deep inside yourself and find what you believe about money. Your financial situation right now, which you are experiencing, is because of your thoughts and assumptions about money. If you have no money right now, maybe you have been believing in yourself that you can't manifest money, and those thoughts have created your reality, and now you don't have any money. Or it might be because of some limiting thoughts. Maybe you have negative thoughts about money, like many people have negative thoughts about money. For example, money can't make you happy. You can't buy happiness with money. Money causes disputes, and money is evil. If you have these kinds of thoughts, You can't manifest money because these thoughts actually keep you from manifesting money. Now the question is what you can do to manifest money in your life. Well, as Neville Goddard said, you can fix everything by fixing your thoughts. The problem is yours, and you are the reason. There is no one who can fix the problem. You are the only one to fix it. Nobody else is going to do it for you. You are the creator. You are your own God, and you are the agent of change. If you can't change your mind, if you can't change your thoughts, and if you can't think differently, you will keep on suffering. If you want to experience something different, you will have to have different thoughts. Now, as I said, you may have negative thoughts about money, but you have to replace them with positive thoughts. Let's say you have been thinking that money can't buy happiness. Now start believing that money can buy everything, and that with the money I can buy comfort and happiness. If you have been believing that money creates problems, now start believing that money solves problems. And if you have been believing that you can't manifest money, now start believing you can manifest money. You are able to manifest money. It's easy to manifest money. First, you have to change your thoughts about money. You have to change your assumptions about money. And you know, changing your thoughts is one of the most difficult tasks. What you have been thinking for many years has now become your firm belief. What you have been believing for years is now in your DNA. So it is difficult to change your thoughts. You will have to work on yourself to change your thoughts. You can get help from different techniques to change your perspective on money. For example, you can make use of positive affirmations to change your thoughts. Write down some positive affirmations about money. For example, money is a good thing because it can buy happiness. Money is a great source of happiness, and money can help me solve my problems. You can write many more affirmations like this. Speak these to yourself, and you will gradually change your attitude toward money. You can also prepare a scene and imagine it. Let's say you can write a scene that expresses how money solved your problems. You can make multiple scenes of this type and imagine them frequently. These approaches will slowly change your views, assumptions, and thoughts about money. The best practice in the law of assumption is to change your thoughts by assuming something and feeling it as real as possible. You can make a scene and play it in your mind. Set this scene on a loop and let your mind watch it again and again. Your imagination will manifest your reality. Your assumptions will start changing your 3D world. Neville Goddard said that your consciousness is your world. The boundaries of your consciousness decide the boundaries of your 3D world. Maybe your subconscious mind isn't aware of the value of money. Maybe your subconscious mind isn't aware of how money helps you solve your problems. You can change this type of perspective by imagining some scenes that emphasize the value of money, and start assuming positive things about money. The law of assumption says what you assume will come to you. If you want to manifest money, start assuming that money is coming into your life. Start assuming that money is easy to manifest. Thoughts and assumptions like this will bring money into your life in unexpected ways. So be conscious of what you think about money. Some people have negative thoughts about money, but they aren't aware of this, so they are manifesting the financial situation that they don't like, but they are manifesting it unintentionally. Try to notice what you believe about money. If you can't detect the thoughts deep down in your subconscious mind, try to notice your actions, especially related to money, because your actions are showing what your thoughts are. If you detect any negative thoughts in your subconscious mind about money, change them by different means. Remember that your reality can't be changed unless you change your thoughts. Your behavior can't be changed unless you change your imagination. Your actions can't be different unless you change your thoughts. So whether you realize it or not, your thoughts are creating your reality. Your assumptions, your thoughts, and your imagination have an impact on your experiences, your reality, and all your life. Let me say, the amount of money you want to have, you have already gotten. It has been manifested. You manifested it the moment you thought it. You just have to enter into that state where you are conscious of having the money you want to have. You are actually not conscious of the availability of money in your life. You are conscious of your lack of money, so you can enter into the state of having money. It's Neville Goddard saying that the moment you imagine a thing, you manifest it. So when you imagine the money you want, you actually create it. So it has been manifested. It has been created. Don't be impatient. If you are assuming that you have manifested money, then you will surely manifest it. Just relax and wait. You will soon experience a change in your financial situation. Your new reality is waiting for you. You just need to enter your new reality. You just entered the new state where your desire exists. You are living in a state where your desire doesn't exist. You have to enter into the state where your desire exists. And that state was created when you imagined it, when you thought of your desire. That's it. So guys, that's how you can manifest money with the law of assumption. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of how to manifest money according to Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world.